Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. Today I am here for you with one more fantastic word problem that is from the same exercise 1.2. So let's start reading the 11th question. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. What is given? Distance between the student's school and her house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Now we are given that every day she walks both ways. Both ways means from home to school and then back to home from school. So distance कैसा रहेगा? Distance will be the same. घर से स्कूल जा रही है 1 किलोमीटर 875 मीटर्स डिस्टेंस के साथ, ठीक है, एंड कमिंग बैक टू होम फ्रॉम स्कूल विद द सेम डिस्टेंस, ठीक है. सो हियर व्हाट वी नीड टू फाइंड इज टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय हर इन 6 days. चलो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी आर गिवन दैट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन स्कूल एंड हाउस इज 1 kilometer 875 meters. Are you observing the similar thing which I am supposed to tell you here? Yes, here we are given two different units, that is kilometers and meters. So will it be convenient for you to deal with two different units simultaneously? Definitely not. So what we need to do here is first we will convert kilometers into meters, and we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here what will you get? Let us see. 1000 meter plus 875 meters. So on adding 1875 meters. So here what we have got? Distance between school and house is 1875 meters, but we need to find distance covered by walking both ways, means घर से school, school से घर in one day. So either we can add 1875 to 1875 or we can multiply it by 2. So let us multiply 1875 by 2. On multiplying we will get 5 and then 7. So distance covered by walking in both ways in one day will be equal to 3750 meters. But what we need to find is total distance covered by the student in 6 days, and that can be found by multiplying distance covered by walking in one day by 6. So let us multiply 3750 by 6. What will you get on multiplying? We will get 0, 0, 3, then 5, and here we will get 22. That is 22,500 meters. This is what? Total distance covered by the student in 6 days. But 22,500 is a convenient unit? Definitely not. But 22,500 meters, is it a convenient unit to find distance? The convenient unit, or we can say that the most convenient unit to measure distance is kilometers. So what we need to do? We need to convert 22,500 meters into kilometers, and we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So we need to divide 22,500 by 1000. So let us observe the division. Here again on multiplying 1000 by 2, I will get 2000, and then on subtracting I will be left with 500. So here the quotient is 22, it is nothing but it will be in kilometers, and the remainder is 500, it will be in meters. So we can say that distance covered by her in 6 days is 22 kilometer 500 meters. I hope you're clear with this word problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, do visit our website www.eganeet.com. You can also download the app Eganeet from Play Store. Thank you.